Hey friends, good morning. Got some projects going on today, but first we gotta feed the chickens and the cats. So here we go. Hey ladies, good morning. You guys still have feed left. Go on, you can go out. Maybe go around the other way. There, here we go. All right. That feeds a little bit poo in it. So we're gonna. Man, it's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be about 41 for a high today. They'll scratch through that and eat it up. In the meantime, we're gonna give them some fresh stuff. It's one of the main reasons right there. These are, what do they call them, yellow peas? They're a little hard. This is why we soak it. Oh, come on, focus. But now they are soft, and chickens can eat them. A little bit of a mess of a cat food situation out here. I still haven't eaten a sausage. Guess they don't need food this morning. Needs cleaned out. I'll have to get some of that later. All right. This is the biggest part of our project today, is this chicken tractor. Trying to finish it up as much as we can. Got to make a trip to Lowe's this morning for some stuff. See, last night I made it almost all the way around. I got all the way around and then ran out there. I do have extra of that left over from the other one, which I made one before this, and this is part of an extra roll. So I just gotta make it the rest of the way around and then do the roof and back section. I'll take you along. And the door. So. All right, we gotta get the trailer hooked up. All right, we're back from the big box store, Lowe's. And man, that was quick. All backed up, ready to unload. Let's get it done. got unloaded, had a snack, and time to get this wire finished, wrapped around here. This is the best tool. Staple gun makes this project way easier. Oh, we're gonna get to it.
He's there.
This is a huge pain in the Alright, so see this arch? We got all these other arches put on. That arch is not supposed to be an arch. That is supposed to be not bent. It is supposed to go along the ridge line. So that's what happens when you get working and don't pay attention. Kind of like cutting a board that you weren't supposed to. What do they say? Measure 3 times, cut once. Measure twice, cut once. Well, that's the last one I got. I don't have any other straight ones, so we're gonna try and straighten it and see how wonky it gets. It's just a chicken coop. These aren't, they're actually pretty good. They're not perfectly straight either, but they're better than the first time I did it. Let's see if I can straighten this out and get it fixed. All right, my battery's getting low, but we got this thing pretty well straightened out. It's got some ripples in there and it's a little wonky on this end, but it is a ridge line to this chicken tractor. All right, we're gonna wrap it up for today. Go and get some dinner and maybe do some more on this tomorrow. Hi.
Hmm? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You're goofy.
Yeah.
Yeah.